Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, everybody. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Okay, so have a nice day, children. Begin your day with a beautiful smile on your faces, and welcome back to the very first early morning lecture, that is none other than English. Okay, children. So, as you all know, we have already started with the new chapter, that is 1.5 Joan of Arc. So, we'll just revise what we have done yesterday and then we will move on. Joan of Arc, it's a story of a very young, brave and physically fit, talented girl, okay, and who is very desperate to take part in the war. It's a story of a war between France and England, okay, to free the country, or it's a and more than 100 years war between England and France. And this girl Joan, she was belonged to France, okay. She was desperately wanted to be a part of the um, military team. She wanted to be a part of the soldiers, but as she was a very illiterate peasant girl, okay, किसान की बेटी थी, गांव की थी, इसलिए उसे इतनी आसानी से उसमें पार्ट लेने के लिए नहीं दिया जा रहा था. All the officers of military officers were against this, okay, but see the way she convinced them, see the way how she spoke to them, that we have seen in yesterday lecture. See, she led the this lesson was written in the form of play, and as you can see in the picture, she fought for the country and she brought many victories for France, which we are going to see in this lesson. Yesterday we saw how she asked for the armor. See here, the girl, which whatever she wore, that is called armor, सुरक्षा कवच जिसको बोलते हैं, which a प्रोटेक्टिव क्लोथिंग ऑफ मेटल का एक जैकेट होता है जो मतलब हथियारों से या फिर फायरिंग से सेव करता है, ओके, दैट इज कॉल्ड आर्मर. सो शी जस्ट आस्क फॉर द आर्मर, हॉर्स एंड few soldiers, understood, and she is ready to go for the war, okay. We saw how the other officers were against, but she kept on convincing them, okay. Till here we have finished yesterday. Now we will see page number 31. Okay, Robert goes to the window and shout into the courtyard, "Send Monsieur de Polanyi to me, will you?" He turns to Joan. "Get out and wait in the yard." Now the other person who is ready to go with the John is called up by the Robert, and they ask John to go down and wait in the backyard. आंगन में wait करो. John, smiling brightly at him. "Right, Squire." She goes out. See, she is very pleasant kind of a girl. Robert to the steward. "Go with her, stay within call and keep your eye on her. I shall have her up here again." वो बोलता है उसके साथ रहो, कुछ देर में मैं फिर बुलाऊंगा. The steward retreats hastily, moves away in a hurry. Hastily मतलब हड़बड़ाकर जल्दी में चला गया. Bertrand de Polanyi, a French guard, enters, salute and stands waiting. This is the one who is ready to go along with the जॉन. यही वो ऑफिसर है जो जॉन के साथ जाना चाहता था. दैट्स वाई ही इज कॉल्ड अप बाय द रॉबर्ट इन द कोर्ट. रॉबर्ट, शी सेज, "You, Jack and Dick have offered to go with her. What for? Do you take her crazy idea of going to the Dauphin seriously?" Okay, now she is the foolish girl. She is not so mature enough, and I heard that you are going to give her complete support. Is this true? क्या ये बेवकूफ़ी में तुम भी शामिल हो? Polanyi, slowly, "There is something about her. It may be worth trying." वो बोलते कि वो लड़की में कुछ बात है और उसे ट्राई करना बनता है. रॉबर्ट, "Oh, come on, Polly. You must be out of your mind." Out of your mind? तुम यहाँ पर क्या हो गए हो? बेवकूफ़ हो गए हो या फिर अपने होश में नहीं हो. Polanyi, unmoved, "What is wrong with it? The Dauphin is a chinon like a rat in a corner." See, underline this. This is one of the phrase. Like a rat in the corner means a very coward person, जिसमें हिम्मत ना हो. तो who is like this? Chinon, one of the cities in France. वो फ्रांस की एक सिटी में एक चूहे की तरह छुपा बैठा है. कौन? Dauphin. Except that he won't fight. The English will take our lead. He will not be able to stop them. See what happened? He is very coward person, and obviously we will lose. And what happened? We will have to lose the very good city. Which city is that? Orleans. Robert. He beat the English the years before last at Montagues. I was with him. वो बोलता कि नहीं, last time उसने fight किया था. Polonji. But his men are coward. His men are cowed, and now he can't work miracles. And I tell you that nothing can save our side now but a miracle. हमें सिर्फ कोई एक चमत्कार ही बचा सकता है, क्योंकि सब coward, frightened, सब डरे हुए हैं वहाँ पर. Robert. Miracles are all right, Polly. The only difficulty about them is that they don't happen nowadays. Okay? वो बोल रहा कि चमत्कार की बात सही है, लेकिन आजकल ये होता नहीं है. Okay? It's an argument which is going on between them. Okay? Polonji. I used to think so. I am not so sure now. There is something about her. I think the girl herself is a bit of a miracle. See the answer he gave. वो कहने लगा कि वो लड़की खुद एक चमत्कार है. Anyhow, this is our last chance. Let's see what she can do. See, as it is, we are going to lose. We are not winning. We don't have any other option. So why don't we try? Okay? Robert. Wavering, hesitating. See, it's very difficult to take the decision to send such a young girl in the war. Is it easy, children? See, so many girls are also listening. है ना? हर कोई लड़की इतनी हिम्मत रखती है क्या जाके जंग लड़ने की? और क्या ये आसान है एक हाई प्रोफाइल ऑफिसर के लिए उसको परमिशन देना? नो चिल्ड्रन, थिंक ओवर इट. Polonji, turning. Is there anything else left for us to think? Let's take a chance. Her words have put fire into me. So this is also one of the phrase. Please underline. Have put fire into me मतलब have inspired और motivated me. उसकी जो हिम्मत है उस हिम्मत से मुझे भी बहुत ज़्यादा हिम्मत मिल गई है और मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पायर हो गया हूँ. रॉबर्ट गिविंग अप. यू आर एज मैड एज शी इज. तुम भी उसकी तरह पागल हो गए हो. Polonji. Obstinately in a stubborn and firm manner. मतलब वो अपनी क्या बोलेंगे, अपनी बातों पे अटल है, वो बिल्कुल भी डगमगा नहीं रहा. We want a few mad people now. See where the same ones have landed us. वो बोलता हमको और ज़्यादा पागलों की ज़रूरत है. Robert. I feel like a fool still. If you feel sure. Polonji. I feel sure enough to take her to Chinon unless you stop me. Okay, he is ready to go along with the girl, but he is just waiting for Robert's permission. Robert, do you think I ought to have another talk with her? Polonji, going to the window. Yes, John, come up. मैं उससे बात कर लूँ और एक बार, और उसको फिर लड़की को वापस ऊपर बुलाते हैं. Polonji, gravely, be seated, John. ये उसकी साइड पर है, हाँ, तो ये बहुत अच्छे से उसको बोल रहा है. Robert, gravely मतलब seriously. Robert, what is your name? John. They always called me Jenny in Lorraine. Here in France, I am John. The soldiers call me the maid. Okay, maid बोलते हैं उसको. Robert. How old are you? John. 17. So they call me. So they tell me. It might be 19. I don't remember. See, she was belong to very village side. She was unaware of her date of birth. तो उसने बस ऐसे सुना था कि वो 17 या 19 की कुछ है. Robert, I suppose you think raising a siege, surround from all sides and attack, removing the force surround a place. That is called raising a siege. Is as easy as chasing a cow out of a meadow. जंग लड़ना क्या एक चेजिंग अ काउ आउट ऑफ अ मिडो, एक गाय को उसकी मिडो पे जाके क्या बोलेंगे, compete करने के बराबर है. यू थिंक सोल्जरिंग इज एनीबडीज जॉब. क्या कोई भी सोल्जर बन सकता है? तुम्हें लगता है इतना आसान है जंग जीतना? John, I don't think it can be very difficult if God is on your side. See, so nicely she is saying. Grimly, have you ever seen English soldiers fighting? कौन पूछ रहा है क्या तुमने देखा है कभी जंग कैसी होती है, कैसे फाइट किया जाता है? Have you ever seen the plundering, looting मतलब कैसे लूट मचाई जाती है. Burning, turning the countryside into a desert मतलब लाशें गिर रही है, मतलब वो माहौल तुमने क्या कभी देखा है? Have you heard no tales of their prince who is the devil himself, or of the English king's father? क्या तुमने उनकी कहानियाँ नहीं सुनी? The story of a devil who is king's father, the story of the siege. Have you heard about this? John, you do not understand, Squire. Our soldiers are always beaten because they are fighting only to save their skins. ओनली टू सेव देयर स्किन्स, इसका मतलब है अपनी जान बचाने के लिए. हम हमेशा क्यों हार रहे थे? क्योंकि हमारे सोल्जर सिर्फ अपनी जान बचाने के लिए लड़ते थे. एंड द शॉर्टेस्ट वे टू सेव आवर स्किन इज टू रन अवे. और इसलिए वो क्या करते थे? भाग जाते थे. वो डटकर उनका मुकाबला नहीं करते थे. दैट मीन्स हमारे जो सोल्जर्स है वो बहुत ही डरपोक हैं. बट आई विल टीच देम ऑल टू फाइट फॉर फ्रांस. सी द कॉन्फिडेंस. देन दे विल ड्राइव द सोल्जर्स बिफोर देम लाइक शीप. You and Polly will live to see the day when there will not be a single English soldier on the soil of France. English soldiers, इंग्लैंड के सोल्जर्स. तुम वो दिन ज़रूर देखोगे जहाँ हमारे सोल्जर्स उनके सोल्जर्स को मार गिराएंगे. ठीक है? सी द कॉन्फिडेंस. वो क्या बोलती है? मैं सिखाऊंगी कि लड़ा कैसे जाता है, जीता कैसे जाता है. ओके, फर्स्ट यू शुड फाइट फॉर योर कंट्री, देन फॉर योर स्किन. रॉबर्ट टू द पोलेंजी. This may all be nonsense, Polly, but the troops might just be inspired by it through nothing that we say seems to put any fire into them. Even the Dauphin might believe it, and if she can put some fight into him, she can put into anybody. वो बोलता ठीक है, चलो सब लोग कन्विंस भी हो गए रहेंगे तो शायद ये डॉफिन को भी कन्विंस कर ले. Robert, turning to John. Now you listen to me and don't cut in before I have time to think. मेरी पूरी बात सुनो, बीच में मुझे टोको मत. Your orders are that you are to go to Chinon under the escorts of this gentleman and 3 of his friends. See, he allotted soldiers to her. कौन कौन है वो? John, radiant, clasping her hand. Oh, thank you, Squire. अभी अगर आपको अचानक बोल दे tomorrow you have a holiday, so how you all cheer? Yay, yes. So she was flying somewhere in the sky. She was so happy as she was so desperate to go for the war. Okay, Polonji, how is she to get into the royal presence? Robert, I don't know. How did she get into my presence? I will send her to Chinon and she can say I sent her. Then let come what may. मैं उसको भेज देता हूँ, फिर देखते हैं आगे क्या होता है. Let anything happen. फिर जो होता है होने दो. अब वो इतनी ज़िद्दी कर रही है तो मैं भेज रहा हूँ उसको. I can do no more. इससे ज़्यादा और मैं कुछ नहीं कर सकता. John, and the dress, और मुझे जो जो चाहिए वो. And the dress, I may have a soldier's dress, Squire. Now she is going as a soldier, so she will need a proper soldier's dress. Robert, take what you please. जो भी चाहिए. I wash my hands off it. तुमको जो चाहिए वो लो, मैंने तो अपना हाथ धो लिए. इसका मतलब क्या है कि मैंने तो बोलना ही छोड़ दिया है. Not taken any responsibility. और मैं तुम्हारी कोई मदद नहीं करूँगा. I washed my hands. कभी कभी माँ बाप भी परेशान होकर बोलते ना तुमको जो करना है करो, हम कुछ नहीं बोलेंगे, अभी हम तुमसे बहुत परेशान हो गए. तो इसी तरह रॉबर्ट जॉन को बोल रहा है, बिकॉज शी वॉज नॉट कन्विंस विद द रॉबर्ट्स वर्ड एंड शी ट्राइड टू कन्विंस रॉबर्ट एंड फाइनली ही इज़ गिविंग एवरीथिंग बट स्टिल ही इज़ नॉट हैप्पी विद द डिसीजन. समझ में आ रहा है? वो ना चाहते हुए भी रॉबर्ट उसको सब कुछ दे रहा है. ओके. जॉन, वाइल्डली एक्साइटेड बाय हर सक्सेस. कम पॉली, शी डिस्टर्ब्ड. इतनी खुश हो गई, बोली चलो पॉली, नाउ ही इज़ रेडी टू सेंड. रॉबर्ट, शेकिंग पोलंजीज हैंड, उसका हाथ मिला. गुड बाय ओल्ड मैन, आई एम टेकिंग अ बिग चांस. मैं बहुत बड़ा रिस्क ले रहा हूँ. फ्यू अदर मैन वुड हैव डन इट बट एज यू से देयर इज़ समथिंग अबाउट हर. कुछ लोगों ने ऐसा किया होगा, लेकिन तुमने कहा है कि इस लड़की में ज़रूर कोई बात है. येस, देयर इज़ समथिंग अबाउट हर. Now he is also, Polanji, yes, there is something about her. Goodbye. See what happened, they all were very inspired by the small girl. उसकी वजह से ये लोग क्या हो गए थे? बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंस्पायर हो गए थे. उस लड़की में कुछ तो बात है. तो she convinced the Polanji first and later on Polanji had a long conversation with Robert and finally he got the permission from the Robert to go to the Chinon to meet the Dauphin and take part in the fight. Understood, children? It was written in the form of drama. not in the form of drama, he was dramatist, तो it was written in the form of conversation. सिर्फ ये बातचीत हुई है और इसमें सिर्फ इतना ही है कि वो कन्विंस कर रहे हैं, ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. Okay, see this kind of conversation they have. Okay, soldiers, they wore armors and they are going to fight. This is the country of Orleans in France. This is the map of Orleans. समझ में आ रहा? इसी को उनको क्या करना था, बचाना था ब्रिटिश से, क्योंकि उनके काफ़ी हिस्से जो थे, दोज पार्ट्स वर कैप्चर्ड बाय द ब्रिटिश एंड ब्रिटिश वर वेरी पावरफुल देन द फ्रांस. अंडरस्टूड? दे ऑलमोस्ट लॉस्ट सो मेनी सीजेस विद टुवर्ड्स देम. उनके खिलाफ वो बहुत सारी जंगें हार गए थे और अभी ये उनको फाइनली जीतनी ही थी. समझ में आया आप लोगों को यहाँ तक? See children, personal reading is very very important, so please read each and every line carefully, because children, you all come up with the difficulty, but the thing which you all are lacking, that is the personal reading, and you all are not watching the videos, I think so, properly, carefully. That's why you are having so many doubts, which I have already clear in all the videos. So I request all the children to please watch the video carefully, and please, personal reading is very very important. So read each and every lesson along with the meaning, and at the end of this lesson प्लीज़ राइट डाउन मीनिंग इन दी इंग्लिश क्लास वर्क नोटबुक, जैसे कि हम लास्ट ईयर करते थे. तो मीनिंग लिखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. ओके चिल्ड्रन, आई होप यू ऑल हैव अंडरस्टूड एंड एंजॉयड द चैप्टर द जोन ऑफ आर्क. Thank you so much. Here we finish with this chapter. I am sending few notes, and language study and grammar questions we will continue in the next lecture. Thank you. Take care. I will leave you with this beautiful quote again, which is very very suitable for this particular lesson. So read this quote and think over it. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.